What's up, techies? Fluffy here, coming at you from the SM Mall of Asia. Vivo is taking over the city today and the energy is absolutely insane. Dani is crushing it hosting on stage, but we are here to see if the new Vivo V70 FE is actually the high-performance daily driver they claim it is. Let's go! First up, the optical machinery. They strap a massive 200 megapixel sensor on the back of this thing. But as an engineer, the real star is the optical image stabilization. It physically absorbs the shakes. Look at KIAI tearing up the stage right now with this stabilization. You can film them jumping around without your video looking like a blurry, unwatchable mess. Now, what good is a professional camera if your phone dies at 4 p.m.? Vivo crammed a staggering 7,000 mAh BlueVolt battery into a body that's only 7.6 millimeters thin. It is an engineering marvel. Plus, it features bypass charging. Plug it in while gaming and the power skips the battery and goes straight to the processor. Pure endurance. Speaking of gaming, heat is the ultimate enemy of any machine. The V70 FE fights thermal throttling with a massive internal vapor chamber. It acts like a high-tech radiator using phase change liquid to pull dangerous heat away from the Dimensity processor. Your phone stays freezing cool, which means your frame rates stay perfectly locked during those marathon gaming sessions. Alden Richards just hit the stage and the Mall of Asia is shaking. Bringing out your celebrity ambassador is exactly how you cap off a massive launch event like this. But Alden aside, this hardware in his hand is the real superstar today. Is the Vivo V70 FE the ultimate daily driver? I am taking this beast back home to find out. Make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss our official in-depth techbeatph.com review coming very soon.